Hello everyone, I am your Dr. Stone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to answer the tell me about yourself question in the software tech interview. This is the most important behavior question if you interview for the software engineer position. In this video, I will start with 3 rules for answering this question, followed by my favorite strategy to tell the story about yourself. In the end, I will share with you an example answer to the tell me about yourself question. Let's do it. Rule number 1, do not tell your life story. In a software tech interview, the interviewer is not interested in your personal life. Whether you have a big family or you live by yourself, whether you have learned some lesson from your first love relationship, or whether you start to watch your Dr. Stone's videos, these are not relevant to the software engineer position that you are interviewing for. When the hiring managers or the peer engineers ask you the tell me about yourself question, they expect to hear about your qualifications, project experiences, and your technical skills. Rule number 2, focus on the value you can create to the hiring company. When the interviewers ask you questions, they want to know more about you. But more specifically, they want to know whether you are qualified for this role, whether your technical skills are assets to this role, and whether you are able to create value and contribute to the company's success. So when you answer the tell me about yourself question, do not focus on what you can get from the company. Focus on what you can do to make the company more successful. Rule number 3, give a big picture of yourself. 99% of the interviews will start with the tell me about yourself question. Very often, the interviewers will introduce themselves and then ask you to tell me about yourself. They want to roughly know about you. So when you answer this very first question, do not talk about too many details about yourself. Now, I want to share with you my favorite strategy of giving a 2-minute answer to the tell me about yourself question. I start with what I'm currently working on, followed by what I worked on in the past. I make sure that I will mention the scope of the project, the involved teams, my contribution to the projects, and also the technologies that I used. Finally, I will end answer with what I'm looking for in the future role, so that the interviewer will know what I'm interested in. Here is my example answer to the tell me about yourself question. I'm a senior software engineer at the Stone Technology Inc., and I'm currently leading a cross-team project to improve the runtime efficiency, ease of use, stability, and scalability of our weather prediction applications in a large distributed system. Other than my technical work on the application side, I also collect requests and feedback from the production team and coordinate efforts to improve our software. I work with the infrastructure team to enhance our data access. I also work with the node monitoring team to reduce the job failure rate due to hardware or network issues. Before that, I was an individual contributor, focusing on the runtime efficiency improvement. I used CUDA-C to accelerate the computation on the GPU hardware. I used MPI as a framework for parallel computing. I also used disk buffering, data compression, and also multi-threading to help further speed up our applications. In the future role, I'm looking for a position that I will be able to leverage my skills and experiences with GPU, parallel computing, and distributed systems, so that I will be able to create value and also I will be able to make a bigger impact. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel and tell your friends about my channel. I am your Dr. Stone, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.